Inside this state-of-the-art facility, nature's raw latex is processed into ultra-durable butyl rubber.
The air retention is flawless. Send this batch down the line for sensor integration.
Locked perfectly in the center, this highly advanced microchip is built to survive the hardest kicks while tracking the ball's exact speed and spin.
Sensor data looks great. They are perfectly balanced and ready for the outer shell department.
This engineered synthetic skin completely blocks water absorption and provides the perfect textured grip for professional players.
The print quality is perfect. These panels are ready for the final thermal bonding phase.
This polyester reinforcement ensures the ball maintains its perfect spherical shape even after thousands of high-velocity impacts.
The thermal bond is fusing perfectly. This will create a 100% seamless and waterproof finish.
By replacing traditional stitching with thermal bonding, we've eliminated water absorption, making the ball perform consistently in any weather.
The exterior finish is flawless. It's time to head to the shaping department.
Every single ball is engineered to be a perfect sphere, ensuring a predictable flight path for the world's best players.
Weight and bounce are perfectly within elite specifications. Let's prep them for the high-speed flight and aerodynamic tests.
Strictly a size 5 soccer match ball.
Aerodynamics is where the science of flight meets the art of football. Every dimple on this surface is engineered to slice through the air with zero drag.
The drag coefficient is lower than any previous model. It's slicing through the air perfectly.
Strictly a size 5 soccer match ball.
Tested at speeds over 100 miles per hour, the ball's trajectory remains laser straight, giving strikers the ultimate confidence on the pitch.
Impact tests complete, 0 structural failure, and the smart chip is still transmitting 100% accurate data.
Strictly a size 5 soccer match ball.
From desert heat to freezing rain, the surface grip and weight remain consistent, ensuring the world's best players can perform in any climate.
Flight stability and surface durability are confirmed. We are ready for the final branding and packaging stage.
Every ball is a masterpiece of engineering, signed with a unique serial number and the golden seal of the 2026 World Cup.
The gold foil adhesion and serial alignment are perfect. Move them to the final packaging bay.
Wrapped in luxury, the ball is now prepared for its journey to the grandest stages of North America.
Packaging is secure. This shipment is ready for global distribution.
From this mega factory, millions of balls are shipped to every corner of the world, ready for the first whistle of the 2026 World Cup.
This ball is the peak of human engineering. We are ready for the World Cup.
After thousands of hours of engineering, the most advanced football ever created has finally reached the hallowed grounds of the 2026 World Cup.
The smart core is active. The ball is official and ready for play.
Here, now.
Quick feet, play it wide. Hold it, switch.
From desert heat to freezing rain, this ball is built to be the silent hero of every historic moment. From desert heat to freezing rain, this ball is built to be the silent hero of every historic moment.
The 2026 World Cup has begun. And at its heart is a ball.
What a magnificent strike from outside the box. The keeper had absolutely no chance. What a goal. We did it. The world is watching.